Three Hills, looking at a carpentry shop. Been here for 30 years, very close to it. Now, if you look at the walls, you see a living room. Looks as nice as a house, clean. Everywhere clean. Now look at that door, clean, from the bottom up. There's your hinges. Everything's beautiful. That's the way it should be. There's your reflector array, stainless steel system, and insulated tube, so it don't get too hot to where they're working. It drops at 400 degrees. In other words, it holds it in so it gets sucked down there. So you got a hot tube there, and ray coming this way also. Every every centimeter gets the same exact ray of sunshine. That's why it's clean. Look at the ceiling. No condensation up here. Those are LED lights. They don't have a lot of heat. There's no humidity. If you go in here, it's the same temperature on the floor, the middle, and the top. People say, well, we don't want to heat the top. Okay, get condensation. Have warm and cold. Anytime we get 3 to 5 to 7 to 10 to 12 or 15 to 20 degree differences, you got condensation. Warm meeting cold. That's just the way it is. And then humidity starts eating your buildings up, and then the dust forms and glues to the walls and it gets ugly. And even that, your humidity starts eating out your nails or your structure. You're even warping the plastic walls and discoloring everything. And you come back 30 years and you look at this building maybe 100 years from now. Tell me what'll be different. It won't be. Building preservation. So it's a dream. Way to go. Three Hills. Come on,